Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Life with Katie B here, and please ignore my eyebrows. Just my makeup in general looks so bad, but you know what? I don't care. But anyways, so as y'all can see below, I'm gonna be doing a cover. It's not gonna be the best, that's for sure, I know. I haven't sung in a while, so it's gonna be really bad. Other than that, please leave feedback. Any feedback can help me improve, and you know, all that sort of jazz. And if you guys have any video suggestions, song suggestions you guys want me to do, you know, just comment down below. You're all that fun, yes. It's a song that always gets me, and I'm ashamed. I hope you guys enjoy, and sing with me if you guys know this song. We built sandcastles that are washed away. I made you cry when I walked away. No, and although I promised that I couldn't stay, baby, every promise, oh, don't work out that way. Oh, baby, every promise, oh, don't work out that way. Dishes smashed on my counter from our last encounter. Picture snatched out the frame, and I scratched out your name and your face. So what is it about you that I can erase, baby? When every promise don't work out that way. Oh, baby, every promise don't work out that way. And your heart is broken 'cause I walked away. Show me your scars, and I won't walk away. No, and I know I promised that I couldn't stay, baby. Every promise don't work out that way. Oh, every promise don't work out that way. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a little ashy cover for y'all, but you know what? I can improve. But don't forget to leave feedback and suggestions, y'all. Thank you for watching. Adios amigos.